drives our world, the source of our civilization kinesis, the energy to keep moving on, the energy to achieve more, the energy to dream, the energy to engineer a better world. Welcome to ENKA headquarters. The core of more than 550 engineering and construction projects in more than 48 countries with a historical value of more than $54 billion. The focal point of the combined energy of more than 20,000 employees worldwide. The center of a great flux of 4 fundamental business lines. With the pride and power of more than 64 years of experience, a valued member of prestigious organizations. Engineering and construction, the fundamental structures of our civilization. ENKA is a global driving force in its sectors. Driven by the power of design, realized by the knowledge of engineering, sustained by the international experience. This is ENKA. Based in 5 offices worldwide, more than 5,000 ENKA engineers, architects, and technical staff provide support to clients across the globe. The ENKA Design and Engineering Center provides comprehensive solutions to meet client objectives. ENKA owns a construction machinery and equipment fleet valued circa US $300 million. ENKA provides full range of design and engineering, procurement, in-house fabrication, modularization construction, commissioning and startup, operation and maintenance, and project management services. ENKA expands its deep-rooted experience in oil, gas, and petrochemicals throughout Turkey, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Russian Federation, and Georgia. ENKA constructed more than 20% of the fossil fuel-fired power plants in Turkey and exports this know-how abroad. Honored with 2 international awards, ENKA built more than 1,000 kilometers of highways and motorways, including bridges, tunnels, overpasses, and relevant civil works and structures in countries such as Iraq, Libya, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Croatia, Romania, Kosovo, Albania, and Turkey with great customer satisfaction. ENKA's building works features imaginative designs, luxury finishes, inspirational locations, and cutting-edge architecture. Çimtaş, a subsidiary of ENKA, is a leading provider of integrated engineering, procurement, welded fabrication, assembly, and installation solutions for top-tier global customers. Çimtaş was incorporated in 1973 in Turkey as a global steel fabricator and now an EPMFI group of 5 companies. Task, wholly owned subsidiary of ENKA, has the ability to fulfill diverse requirements in the field of geotechnical engineering, both in Turkey and abroad. ENKA is the leading electricity generator, IPP, with its power plants located in Adapazarı, Gebze, and Izmir in Turkey. The gas-fired combine cycle plants have a total installed capacity of 4,000 megawatts. ENKA's power plants are among Turkey's earliest and largest private sector power projects. With their collective annual generation capacity of 32 billion kilowatt hours, they are capable of meeting 11% of Turkey's aggregate energy consumption. ENKA designed, developed, and operates 1.35 million square meters of real estate assets in Russian Federation, including A-class offices occupied by dozens of international tenants, shopping malls, a 5-star luxury hotel, and a conference complex. ENKA Pazarlama is a leader in the supply of heavy construction and lifting equipment and machinery and industrial machinery. It serves the whole of Turkey through its 5 regional branches, 1 sales office, 1 liaison office, and more than 55 dealers. ENKA Systems provides trend-setting software tools to meet the needs of companies engaged in very large-scale and global operations, increasing their profitability and preventing lost time through real-time process control. InTouch provides services in the field of travel and tourism, including domestic and international tour operations, flight ticket sales, congress, and event organizations. Inspired by the future engineering for a better world, the sustainability vision of ENKA ensures continuous success. ENKA leaders play an essential role, setting the right example through their own behavior. ENKA Code of Business Conduct helps ENKA employees to put the vision and values into practice. ENKA has been transparently reporting on its sustainability management system and its performance since 2017. With its worldwide workforce, ENKA regards HSSE and quality standards with utmost care. That's where the true power for global success lies. ENKA performs its work as per the international HSSE quality and information security standards. The ENKA Foundation was founded in 1983 with the idea of sustaining the concepts that are the building blocks of civilization. The mission of the Foundation is to educate individuals with scientific methods, raise them as modern, productive, questioning individuals, and unlock their potential in an environment where sports, education, culture, and the arts are all blended together. Besides the ENKA Sports Club, the ENKA Foundation comprises ENKA Schools and ENKA Arts.